Upsize your creativity with more room to design. Presenting the Innov-ís NQ1700E, the latest embroidery sensation from Brother. Are smaller hoop sizes cramping your style? Step up to a larger 6x10 canvas to stitch your masterpieces. The Innov-ís NQ1700E delivers all you need to design on a larger scale, with advanced features and smart conveniences that expand your creativity. Explore 258 built-in embroidery designs with 140 frame pattern combinations and 13 embroidery fonts. Send designs wirelessly using Design Database Transfer. A nearly 5-square-inch LCD color touchscreen with an intuitive interface simplifies on-screen editing. All with drag-and-drop convenience. And hey, you've got gifts to give and crafts to sell. Boost your productivity with embroidery speeds up to 850 stitches per minute, plus an efficient and simple color sort feature. Plus, the optional 5x7 magnetic hoop lets you manage thicker fabrics with ease. Upsize your creativity with the all-new, all-smart Innov-ís NQ1700E, only from your friends at Brother. Demo one at your Brother dealer today.